रसूलिह करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Dear respected teacher, and my all dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I want to deliver the speech on the topic, corruption is the reason to downfall of a nation. This is not only a speech, this is not only debate context, this is the whole story. This is the story of destruction of the nation. This is the story of demolishing one's integrity and dignity. This is the story of dishonesty and character. Your Honor, my interested audience, and all my dear fellows, this is the story of corruption, and corruption. Your Honor, we all know the fact, we all know reality, we all know truth, but we remain silent. We know corruption leads to destruction, but we remain silent. We know corruption leads to devastation, but we remain silent. We know corruption leads to dishonesty, but we remain silent. We remain silent because we ourselves are corrupt. We remain silent because we don't want to see strong and square Pakistan. We remain silent because we are not part of them. Your Honor, my interested audience, and all my dear fellows, some may inquire of corruption. Corruption means favoritism, corruption means nepotism, corruption means money laundering, and corruption means all these evil. Your Honor, some friends inquire that corruption is not the reason for downfall of nation. Corruption is not the reason behind the failure of the country. Let me tell you the fact. This is because of the corruption. I cannot live on merit. This is because of the corruption. I cannot live on judiciary. This is because of the corruption. We students do not live on merit. That first corruption I have to tell you more. That's how I am maintained to say that corruption is the reason to downfall of nation. Let me tell you the fact. And reality today, this is not my age to discuss, this is super limit, that's an important thing. I am extremely sorry about nation. I am extremely sorry about my youth. I am extremely sorry about my leadership. Today I hate my leadership, that is corrupt. I hate my media, that is corrupt. I have all my government sector, they are corrupt. Then why I should not say that corruption is the reason to downfall of nation. Yes, I am maintained to say that corruption is the common factor to downfall of nation. Your Honor, my interested audience, and all my dear fellows, we have misunderstood mistake on the word that corruption is only related to politician. If you are teacher and income that you are corrupt. If you are student and you use classroom that you are corrupt. If you are judge and you some genius personal dislike, you are corrupt. And I am participant not speaking happy. I am corrupt. Let's go. I will make Pakistan prosperous because this is not only a territory, this is not only a nation, this is not only a population, this is not the great vision of God, this is the struggle of Islam, and this is conviction of 22 million people. Then why I should not say that corruption is the reason to downfall of the nation? I have something to say that corruption is the reason to